Hi everyone, this is me describing how to do your make your own name tag project. So right here is just a little bit of a name tag to introduce you to what we're going to do. So let's look at those directions. So our goal today is to make our own name tag because one of the best things you guys can hear or see is your own name. And so we really want to capitalize on that and work with that a little bit more. So here's what you're going to do. You can pick one of the slides that are going to come up or you can create your own. But you're not going to edit it on this slide, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that. So on a blank slide, you're to copy and paste one of the templates you like, or you can start your own. Here's what's important, okay? Here's the directions of what you have to do. On your name tag, you need your name, 3 pictures of things that you like, and you need to label them, a list of your favorite things to do for fun, and then one thing you're looking forward to this year. And so if we get out of this and we can start looking at some of these templates, okay? So right here, we got quite a few templates that you can choose from. So say, I'm really feeling this one. You're gonna take and copy, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to slides.google.com, start a blank one, and you're going to wait for your computer to load like mine. You're going to paste your background right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click Keep Original Styles or Match. That's your choice. As long as you don't link it, you're going to be good to go. So you have it here. Delete this. Now on here, here's a few things that you can do. I like to start fresh. I delete all text boxes in order to get what I want done. So in order to have a text box, I'm going to make a little box right here. And I'm going to say, hi, my name is Miss Halligan. So there's mine. I can make it a lot bigger. I can change it to a font that I can read. And then I'm going to add those other things. So you can add pictures by going to Insert, Image, search the web, or if you have some that are already on your computer, that's totally fine. If you're like, I want kind of a little bit of a bolder font, what you can do, let me cut that, is you can go to Insert right here, Word Art, and you can have word art instead of just a font. So here it is. You can change the font of that. I'm going to make it into this. And you can make it editable into your own. We want this to be something that you're proud of. We're really excited about your name tags, so take your time on them and enjoy. If you have any questions, ask your language arts teacher.